Silicon carbide technology is revolutionizing power electronics, enabling higher efficiency, reliability, and energy savings across industries. Its superior electrical and thermal properties make it ideal for electrification applications such as electric vehicles and renewable energy systems. However, its adoption is hindered by high barriers to entry, such as costly materials, complex fabrication processes, and stringent quality requirements. With the world's first 200mm silicon carbide open R&D line, we are working alongside global partners to develop next-generation technologies, making it accessible to the ecosystem. By making our IP and talent accessible, we aim to lower entry barriers and enable faster innovations in the industry. Our fully integrated 200mm silicon carbide open R&D line offers a complete end-to-end solution for seamless prototyping and development. Unlike conventional lines, it combines proven SiC power electronics manufacturing equipment with next-generation tools and materials co-developed with leading industry partners. We also actively engage with suppliers and industry leaders to incorporate new technologies and expand our capabilities. By fostering an open ecosystem, we provide a streamlined path from concept to prototype and reduce time to market. Our research focuses on 4 key areas. Epitaxy. We have developed high-quality SiC epitaxial layers with lower defect density. By reducing defects in silicon carbide epitaxy, we improve the performance and yield of power MOSFETs for electric vehicles and renewable energy systems. Ion implantation. Our ion implantation system, equipped with an in-situ XRD tool, enables precise channeling implants with optimized offcut angles, ensuring high-performance SiC devices for advanced power applications. This enhances power device efficiency while lowering production costs through a single implant process. Gate stack. We optimize the gate stack through thermal oxidation and advanced annealing techniques, achieving industry-leading MOSFET performance. Our optimized gate stacks enable faster, more responsive power electronics, making them suitable for a wider range of applications. Ohmic contact. Our low-resistance ohmic contact enhances MOSFET efficiency, improving power device performance and reliability. This supports the next generation of compact, high-performance SiC power devices. We collaborate with global industry leaders like ST Microelectronics, Soitec, ASM, Nissin, and Centrotherm to push the boundaries of SiC technology. These partnerships enable us to create advanced power modules for applications in electric vehicles and renewable energy, with a future focus on electrification technologies. As demand for SiC rises, whether you're an industry leader or a startup, the 200mm SiC Open R&D line is available for you. By partnering with us, you gain access to our infrastructure and deep domain expertise, enabling faster innovations, reduced costs, and shorter time to market. Collaborate with us and unlock new possibilities for your applications, powered by the world's first 200mm silicon carbide Open R&D line.